Scorpio, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong first half ng 2025, January to June. Ayan, 2025. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you for your support. Okay, Scorpio, let's see. Energies for you for 6 months ng 2025, January to June for Scorpio. Aquarius energy. So this is collaboration, working with others. Parang may exchange ng knowledge, exchange ng creative talents. So yung iba sa inyo, if you are a content creator or social media influencer, you may be collaborating, working with others, parang pwedeng paid partnership or, alam niyo yung mga collabs na ginagawa ng mga content creators, ganon. Or yung iba naman, sa career nyo, sa trabaho nyo, meron kayong makakasama or makakatulong for a certain project na kailangan nyong gawin. Yan, ngayong January to June. You also have South Node, which is the energy from your past. Actually, ang South Node, this is your expertise. Okay? Saan ka naging magaling? Saan mo, mga bagay na na-master mo na sa buhay mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will tap into your knowledge, into your skills na meron ka na talagang expertise doon. And maaring gagawin mo siya ngayong first half ng 2025. So, for example, isa kang magaling na mananahi. Pero, for some reasons, tinigil mo muna and meron kang ibang in-explore na trabaho or other source of income. Tapos, nagkaroon ng opportunity for you na, gamitin ulit yung talento mo na yun, yung expertise na yun, because merong taong gusto nung serbisyo mo na yun. 'Di ba? So, maaring nagkaroon ng offer na manahi ka ng mga jackets or t-shirts or mga dress, duster, kung ano pa man. And maaring ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity na balikan ulit yung mga dati mong ginagawa where you are really expert na. Skilled ka na doon. Okay? And maaring ito yung mag-open sa'yo ng bagong direction. You also have Saturn. Saturn is the planet of structure. This is also discipline. Okay? So, ngayong first half ng 2025, kailangan talaga dito ng hard work, Scorpio, para maabot mo yung mga goals mo. Hindi to basta na lang darating sa'yo ng ganun kadali. It takes a lot of effort. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, saswertehin talaga tayo no? Parang ang gaan, ang bilis lang. Na kahit less effort, pero you are really getting your goals. You are reaching your goals. Pero ngayon, you may need to work harder and also ask help from others para mas mag-expand yung iyong mga ginagawa, yung opportunities mo. Let's see what else. Okay, you have the 10 of Cups. So this is fulfillment in your family. So pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may major events sa family na you will be together, no? Spending more time together with your family. You also have the 6 of Cups. So yung iba maaring magkakaroon ng reunion for some reasons, no? Usually kasi ang reunion, mga December, ganyan. Yung mga holiday season. But for some of you, ito ay reunion ng mga taong nakasama nyo in the past na you want to celebrate something eh. You want to celebrate yung sisterhood, brotherhood, or yung companionship, ano man yung mga pagsasama na meron kayo. Pwedeng sa family rin yan. But for some of you, this can be related sa mga naging kaibigan nyo or katrabaho nyo. You have the Eight of Cups. Oh, this is a new opportunity to explore. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong iiwanan na sitwasyon, no? Kasi you've been thinking about this lately. Maaring meron kang gustong like bagong direksyon na gusto mong tahakin. Matagal mo nang iniisip. Actually, iba sa inyo, hindi na to bago sa inyo kasi pwedeng nagawa nyo na to before. Pero, for some reasons, may iba kayong pinursu dahil yun yung mas practical nung time na yon. And ngayon, may opportunity ka na balikan yon yung dati mong ginagawa. And this brings you joy. So much joy. Oo. Gamitin na naman natin example yung pananahe. For example, before, mahilig kang manahe, may business ka, but tinigil mo kasi maaring hindi na ganun kalakas yung kinikita mo or may ibang mas magandang opportunity for you that time. And now, babalik ka doon kasi maaring ito na yung mas magandang opportunity for you ngayon. 'Di ba? Minsan ganun eh. Sabi nga what goes around comes around. You also have the Star. Oh, you are finally fulfilling your goals, your dreams. Yung pangarap mo talaga. Ano ba yung pangarap mo? Yung iba, halimbawa, ang pangarap nyo talaga, gusto nyo magkaroon ng tindahan, sari-sari store, merong mini grocery, ganyan. Pero nung time na yun, wala ka pang kapital, wala pang pondo para simulan yon, and marami kang ibang responsibilities. So, ngayon, ang gagawin nyo, ang ginawa ninyo is, naghanap kayo ng ibang pamamaraan para kumita ng pera. And now, nakaipon ka na. Yung iba, nag-abroad, o kaya nag-ipon. At ngayon, ito na. Gusto mo nang bigyan ng focus, attention yung pangarap mo. It's happening. Ayan o, you have the resources that you need. Ito yung tipong pinag-iisipan mo talaga at pinag-aralan mo talaga. Oo. Hindi ka dito careless. Alam mo at that time na hindi mo pa siya kayang gawin or hindi mo pa siya kayang ipagpatuloy. Kaya ipinagpaliban mo and now you have the resources. Oh my God, ang ganda nito. Within a few weeks, you may be doing this already. Yung iba sa inyo, isipin, wala naman eh. Kaya nga, first 6 months nga ng 2025 hanggang June to. Diba? But some of you, within a few weeks, meron na kayong changes na gagawin. Depende kung kailan nyo to napapanood. Kasi pwedeng mapanood nyo to sa February, March. Kasi ang time frame nito is hanggang June eh. Diba? So, you will be planning. Ito yung tipong hindi ka na talaga careless. Yung tipong kung dati wala kang pakialam, bahala na si Batman. Kaya lang natuto ka na dun sa experience na yun eh. So ngayon, ayaw mong pumasok ulit sa ganitong sitwasyon ng hindi mo pinag-iisipan or hindi mo na-calculate. Great awakening. Walk in your truth. Stand firm in your light. How can you trust yourself more? Yes. You are trusting yourself more. Mas nagtitiwala ka na sa sarili mong kakayanan. Maari kasing dati hindi ka pa ganun ka-confident sa sarili mo. And now, here you are. After mga experiences mo, you've gained a lot of confidence. Come together, we need each other. Where have you been separating yourself or pushing against others and the world? Ooh, this is coming together. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong collaboration, working with others. Ito yung tipong mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin na may tulong ng iba. There are things na talagang mas magiging successful para sa'yo kung hahayaan mo na merong taong tutulong sa'yo at susuporta sa'yo. 'Di ba? Oo. Sabi nga, no man is an island. Yes, you are independent, 'di ba? You can do things on your own, but there are times na kailangan mo ring mag-share. There are times na kailangan mo ring may mako-collaborate, makasama. Kasi nga sabi, two heads are better than one, 'di ba? Okay, so that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.